Does the mere idea of going to the dentist scare you? Well, there are ways you can get the care you need without hearing or feeling the process. Dr. Elizabeth Russian is here to talk about sedation dentistry. Now, I've heard of this, but I'm not sure if I really understand what sedation dentistry is.
Well, basically, sedation dentistry are patients who have a high fear of going to the dentist, and what we do is offer them some medication for them to take while they're being treated, so they don't have any memory of the treatment. Therefore, it's usually a quite pleasant experience for them.
A pleasant experience. All right, so how long have you been practicing this sort of sedation dentistry?
I've been doing dentistry for about 19 years, and I've been doing the sedation for about 17 years.
Wow, so quite some time.
Yes, I love it.
Is there specialty training involved in sedation dentistry?
Yes, it's not considered a specialty like periodontics or endodontics, but you are required by the state of North Carolina to take courses and be certified and to have a license to perform the sedation dentistry.
Now, obviously, sedating someone involves additional medicines and things. And so what kinds of medicine? Is it like anesthesia, or what kind of sedation is used?
It's not anesthesia. Well, we do use local anesthesia because it's called conscious sedation, where you're breathing on your own. We don't have to hook you up to a breathing machine or anything like that. There's no needles. It's not IV sedation. It's a pill form.
Oh, okay. That was going to be my next question. Are you putting me on a breathing machine? Am I getting a shot? Or, because a lot of people who don't like the dentist also don't like shots.
Exactly.
It all goes hand in hand.
And that's why this is a good way to have it done. You actually take some medicine before you get to our office, and then once you're there, we'll give you some more medication and just leave you be for a little while as you get relaxed, and then we go from there.
Okay. So are there any side effects to having your procedure done under sedation?
Well, usually the side effects are good side effects in our mind. One of them, of course, is loss of memory. And the medication we use, it's a very short-term loss of memory. It doesn't linger for days or anything like that. It's just while you are in the chair, you don't remember us being in the room. And
okay.
So it's very nice.
So any part of the procedure that you're not going to remember any of it?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. And as far as when you wake up or when you're finished with the appointment, obviously, would you need someone to drive you home at this point? That would be the big difference?
Absolutely. And in fact, you need someone to bring you because you do take some of the medication before you come.
Right.
So you have someone bring you, and then when we are finished, someone will need to take you home as well. You are not able to drive.
All right, so you need to take the day off.
Exactly. Okay. And a lot of people like that idea.
That's not a bad idea, twice a year for your cleanings.
Right.
Do you also offer it for all sorts of other sorts of procedures?
Yes, a lot of patients we haven't been to the dentist for sometimes 20, 40 years.
What?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
So they have a lot of treatment to be done. So sometimes they get to our office at 7:30 and they don't leave till like 2 because we do root canals, extractions, crowns, bridges, fillings, the deep cleaning, and we try to get as much done as we can.
Oh my goodness, because you said people who have a fear of going to the dentist don't go, so then any problems compound themselves.
Right, and then they start to get embarrassed about not going for so long, and they don't want to deal with that as well. So it's a whole...
a vicious circle.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, so this is a way to solve all of that. Now, do you only see patients that require sedation?
No, it's probably about 50% of our practice is sedation oriented, but our staff is just really keen on treating people as family, and so we try to make the whole experience relaxing, not just for people who need sedation, but for everybody.
All right. Wow. Problem solved here today. If you need extra help in seeing the dentist, go to endyourfear.com. Terrific website, endyourfear.com, or give Dr. Russian a call at 919-854-1818.